Aloha Unicorn fam, it's your girl Rosalie. Hope your day's been good, but better what you feel because today's going to be a great day. I just had a shower and got into my PJs and I want to make some popcorn and watch a movie. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some microwave popcorn. So to all those that don't know how to make microwave popcorn, this is for you. People even say that I'm the best at making microwave popcorn, but I know what they're on about. The ingredients that you need to make microwave popcorn are so simple. All you need is a bowl, some salt if you want to add some more flavor, and microwave popcorn, and you can get a second one if you feel like the first one won't work out, or if you want more, yeah. My thing is pretty dirty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the sink, wash it up a bit, and then come back. Let's go. The bowl's clean. So, next thing you're going to do is, my sister's showering. Next step you're gonna do is you're gonna open the popcorn. So I'm gonna put this on fast mode. Now at the microwave, we're gonna go put this in the microwave. So, once it's in the microwave, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. I used to do it for 3 minutes, but actually I think I am gonna do it for 3 minutes. Do it for 3 minutes, but if you think it's gonna burn, do it for 2 minutes. Now it's time to wait. It's been a few minutes, as you can tell from my dumb dancing. Only 1 more minute to go. The popcorn looks pretty popped. Keep it in there. So hang in there, popcorn. Here we have the popcorn that is done. Damn, that's boiling. When the popcorn is finished, take it out. Since it's pretty hot, there's nothing wrong with that. So, yeah, let's do this. Okay, let's get started. So, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open the popcorn like this. Make sure you keep your face away because you don't want to burn it. Popcorn isn't even that much, but there's less popcorn than seeds. I guess it's time to go again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Whatever. Next up you're gonna do is get the salt, First, actually gonna shake up the popcorn. That's why I hate making popcorn with this by this brand. I do it by a different brand. Take the salt and pour it in. Yeah. What was I doing? Taste test. That is really good. And this is what came out of the nonsense that I made. All my hard work. That was really good. Now let's go choose a movie and get started. This video, I hope you liked it. Hope you liked my tutorial how to make popcorn.